From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back. Joining us now is Trey with Patriot Electric Heating and Cooling. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Absolutely. Appreciate having me on.
Yes, sir. So for people that don't know, can you just tell us a little bit about your organization?
Yeah, so as far as Patriot Electric Heating and Cooling, we've been around for a little over 2 decades now, doing electrical work. We've been in it for about, again, 20 years. HVAC we brought into the company about 2 years ago, hitting it strong and able to service all of our existing customers with now our new benefits of HVAC.
That's awesome right there. So, after a long, hot East Texas summer, most of us are just thankful that our air conditioners kind of made it through. So is it necessary to think about our HVAC system again as we head into fall?
That's a very good question. And it's actually a question we get quite often from homeowners. Yeah, doing a tune-up or a maintenance on your system twice a year, absolutely, it's imperative. So going into your cooling season, you'll absolutely want to make sure HVAC or your air conditioner is up and running. But then also moving into the cooler weather, heat's coming on. Those things have been dormant for 6-7 months at this point in time, collecting dust, sitting there. It's always good just to get a good quick check on it.
Yes, sir. And so when we hear the term heater tune-up, it can kind of sound a little vague. So when a technician comes out there, what are the kind of things they're doing?
Sure. There's really 2 primary categories we're looking at. Is for one, safety. We obviously want to make sure the home is safe when you're turning on this heater for the first time in some time. A lot of people utilizing gas on their furnaces, but also electric heat hadn't been touched in 6-7 months. And then also the other side is the efficiency side of it. We want to make sure that once that's turned on, it's not dirty, it's running like it's supposed to, and it's not eating up your electric bill.
Yeah, that's awesome right there. So for every year if the first real cold front hits, you must get a little flood calls. What is the single most common and preventable problem you see that leaves families kind of wondering without heat?
Yeah, there's a lot of different problems that we run into, a wide range of them. There's a lot of simple problems that we typically see. So for instance, like a flame sensor. It's something within your furnace that all it's doing is indicating whether that flame is on, if that gas has been pushed. It's a safety mechanism. It's just a quick switch. But what we see a lot of times is after it's been sitting for that 6-7 months, you get dust that starts collecting on that sensor. It's not able to read that flame, and it's just essentially a nuisance trip. So at that point in time, it won't let the gas be provided into the furnace, and it won't allow it to then continue heating. And then we get out there, and it's something as simple as just cleaning your system. So that's one thing that's included with these maintenances. We get in, we clean the system, we look at this flame sensor, make sure it's going to be able to perform its job properly. You wouldn't jump into a vehicle that's been sitting for 6 months, right, and just take it down the road for a 2-week vacation. You wouldn't do that. You're going to check the air in the tires, you're going to check the oil in the vehicle, make sure it's topped off with gas, right? Same thing here. Your systems are running consistently throughout the year. You want to make sure they're running efficient and safely.
That's awesome right there. And so where can people get more information about y'all?
Yeah, you can head on over to patriotetx.com. That's our website. We've got our Facebook. Just type in Patriot Electric Heating and Cooling. You'll find us on Facebook, or you can give us a call, 903-954-2525. You can ask for me, Trey. I'm there all the time. Chad's our HVAC service manager. We've got Bailey out there. We're always willing to help out, just even answer questions for the public.
Yes, sir. Well, thank you so much, Trey, for your time.
Thanks so much.
Yes, sir. For more information, go to the website right there on your screen.